Hey guys, how's it going? How to check Spotify payment details. So first of all, go ahead and open up your Spotify or go to the website to log in. Click on your profile icon at the top right or top left corner and then select the account from the drop down menu or settings and privacy. Alright, and then go ahead and select account, and then you're gonna see an account overview of your plan section. You will see payment details including your payment method and billing date. This will give you quick access to your Spotify payment information. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.